Welcome to a world of innovation and progress. In this video, we'll be diving into the top 5 AI tools designed to convert text into video. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, AI is not just a buzzword anymore. It's the driving force behind content creation. Imagine a world where your written words can be instantly transformed into captivating videos. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? But it's not magic, it's technology. So, buckle up and get ready to witness the future of content creation. Have you ever wondered how AI is revolutionizing content creation? How it's transforming the way we consume information and interact with the digital world? Welcome to the future, where AI-driven text-to-video generators are the new game changers in the realm of content creation. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry about scripting, filming, and editing. A world where you can simply input text and get a high-quality video in return. This isn't a far-off dream. AI has made it possible. Today, we are going to explore the top 5 AI text-to-video generators that are reshaping the content creation landscape in 2024. First up, we have Lumen 5, a truly AI-powered platform that has revolutionized video creation. The platform allows for a simple but effective conversion of blogs, articles, and ideas into engaging, dynamic videos. Adorned with a user-friendly interface, a comprehensive selection of themes, and a rich library of images and videos, Lumen 5's prowess is remarkable. But what truly sets Lumen 5 apart is its advanced AI capabilities. The platform employs AI-driven content curation, which curates the most relevant content based on the text input to create a coherent and engaging video narrative. Adding to that is Lumen 5's smart video formatting. This feature ensures that your videos are always in the optimal format for your chosen platform, be it a social media post, a website banner, or an email campaign. Another unique feature of Lumen 5 is its ability to match the mood of the content with appropriate music. Through sophisticated AI analysis, the platform can identify the tone and mood of your content and sync it with fitting music, ensuring a seamless, immersive experience for your viewers. In essence, Lumen 5 isn't just a video-making platform, it's an AI powerhouse, pushing the boundaries of automated video content creation. Next on our list is the remarkable Synthesia. This advanced AI-powered tool has the capability to craft videos plain text in just a few minutes. Its true charm and main feature, however, is its proficiency to create realistic and lifelike avatars. These avatars are not just visually appealing, but are also linguistically diverse, as they can deliver your message in multiple languages, bridging any global communication barriers. Imagine having your very own personal news anchor, with the ability to speak a multitude of languages. Sounds fantastic, right? But Synthesia doesn't stop there. The platform also offers a broad spectrum of avatar customization options. You can tailor your avatar's appearance to match your brand's identity or resonate with your target audience. The flexibility to personalize your avatar ensures that your message is not just heard, but also visually engaging. Moreover, Synthesia is not just about creating intriguing avatars. The tool also prides itself on its high-quality video output. The crisp and clear visuals combined with seamless animations in videos that enrapture and engage viewers, ensuring your message has maximum impact. So Synthesia is not just an AI tool. It's a platform where you can weave multiple languages, create bespoke avatars, and produce high-quality videos, all to amplify your message like never before. Moving on to Vidnami, it's not just known for its impressive AI technology, also for its remarkable features. Vidnami not only creates professional-looking videos from text, but also utilizes AI-driven scene creation for enhanced video quality. This feature allows for a refined selection of scenes that match perfectly with your text, adding a level of dynamism to your videos. Moreover, Vidnami has exceptional ability to automatically sync voiceovers with text, a feature that saves creators plenty of editing time while ensuring seamless transitions and fluid narration. This tool does not limit itself to templates and customization options, but goes beyond by providing an extensive library of stock footage. This wide array of footages ensures that every creative need is met and that uniqueness is always maintained. With all these features, Vidnami stands tall as a favorite among marketers and content creators, offering them an unprecedented high degree of creative control. Taking the 4th spot on our list is RawShorts. This unique platform harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to transform simple text into animated explainer videos. What sets RawShorts apart is its strong emphasis on eye-catching animations and top-notch graphics. It's particularly ideal for crafting educational or instructional content. But there's more to RawShorts than meets the eye. Its user-friendly interface offers a drag-and-drop functionality, simplifying the process of creating personalized videos. From classic to contemporary, RawShorts offers a wide range of animation styles, thereby catering to distinct aesthetic preferences and enhancing the storytelling experience. Perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of RawShorts is its ability to automatically generate voiceovers. This feature allows users to add a professional touch to their video content without requiring any technical expertise. Indeed, RawShorts is a powerhouse combining simplicity, versatility, and innovation. Lastly, let's delve into the exciting world of InVideo. Armed with a cutting-edge AI, InVideo doesn't just convert text into video, it breathes life into it, complete with a captivating soundtrack. This isn't your everyday video editing tool, it's an AI-driven creative powerhouse. It can convert your text into a stunning video, automatically sync and add subtitles, enhancing accessibility, and thus, audience engagement. But it doesn't stop at that. One of the most remarkable features of InVideo is its extensive library of music and sound effects. It's not just about having a large collection, but the diversity and quality it offers. From soothing instrumentals for a meditation video to high-energy beats for a fitness tutorial, the selection is diverse, curated to aid creativity and cater to different moods and themes. InVideo also offers a vast library of templates, making it a breeze for anyone, be it a beginner or seasoned videographer, to create stunning, professional-grade videos. The user-friendly interface further simplifies the process, allowing you to focus more on creativity while it handles the technical aspects. With InVideo, video creation becomes not just a task, but an enjoyable journey. In summary, these 5 AI text-to-video generators, Lumen 5, Synthesia, Vidnami, RawShorts, and InVideo, are revolutionizing content creation. They are empowering marketers and content creators with the tools to craft engaging videos without the need for extensive filming or editing. Each platform has its unique strengths, from Lumen 5's intuitive visual suggestions to Synthesia's lifelike avatars, Vidnami's creative control, RawShorts' focus on animations, and InVideo's soundtrack feature. The future of content creation is here. AI is not just a tool, it's a catalyst, a game changer, a revolution in the way we create and consume content. So next time you think about creating content, remember, you have a world of AI-powered possibilities at your fingertips.